This is a very quick video, just kind of document something. Apple AirPods Generation 3 I have, the left one won't stay consistently charged. Well, it's in the case. Outside of the case, it works fine. It's all these things you can do, you find online. All those work for like 99% of the case. Cleaning the AirPods in the case and removing, re-adding to the phone. Factory reset. That fixes most of the cases, but there's something actually wrong with mine, and I've sent it to Apple 3 times, and they each time they receive it, immediately say they can't reproduce the problem, they send it back. Each time I've gotten it back, the left AirPods like mostly discharge. So like I don't really know what they need to do to whether they can reproduce it or not. I asked them to replace it, they won't do it. This is the third time it's come back like that, and I just wanted to just document that the problem isn't being fixed. So that's just arrived from FedEx. I'm going to break the seal, my phone's unlocked, and I'm going to open the case and just show you the status. And this was on the wireless charger since the last time it came back. So the case is fully charged when I sent it back. So here it goes. Okay, here we go. So it came up 100% and now it's showing 2% and then 4%. There's something wrong, now 5%. There's something wrong with it. And like Apple won't stand by their product, and I'm hoping I can get this to someone above support who actually facilitate it being fixed or replaced. Thanks.